segment at the end.
Ooh, I'm ready.
That we call Undupable. And if you don't know what Undupable it means that essentially things that cannot be duped.
Nope.
Okay, no replacements, irreplaceable in your life.
Yes.
Now, the kicker is 5 things, right? 5 things, but you're going to be timed.
Okay.
She said, wait a second. She was like, no, that's not in my plans. Okay, so
oh my God.
you have to name them, give a little like brief explanation, right? You can go as deep or as little as you want with the time that you have. Now listen, if you don't get to 5, we'll pick up at the end. We'll give you a little more time, okay? So you give the time that you need, but this just adds a little element of pressure, if you will. All right, I'm gonna put the timer here.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh my God.
I'll say go to make sure I actually started it.
Okay.
Okay. Undupable. Ready?
What is that?
I know. She said, what is that on there? It's our little pink timer. All right. Ready, set, go.
NARS Soft Matte Concealer. Let me tell you something. There's no other brand that has a full coverage concealer. Think about it. There's none. It's the best concealer ever. Also, Janessa Myrick's Yummy Skin. It's just the perfect balance of like giving a little bit of coverage, but also making the skin look really good. I use that on a lot of clients and photo shoots. Laneige Sleeping Mask. I mean, shea butter, murumu butter, just on the lips. It's kind of just like whipped. Just, I love it.
Oh, yummy.
And then, oh my God, Bobbi Brown Face Base. Also really good for skin prep, especially if you have dry skin, or if you just want like a one-step prep. Bobbi Brown Face Base. Like I have been through that thing maybe at least 10 times.
Scraping it out, girl. Yeah.
Scraping it out. And then also what I've been loving is my Amicole concealers. Absolutely. I'm complexion obsessed. Amicole concealer is really good.
Right, okay.
I got it though.
You did. You got 5. Okay, you can finish your thought.
But Amicole concealer, I really love it just because like the shades are really good and I love the undertones. But I also love like how it sits on the skin. It's very layerable.
Ooh,
yeah.
okay.
Did I make up that word?
Oh,
layerable?
no, layerable is definitely a word. Wait.
But yeah, layerable.
Oh my gosh.
I'm wearing it today.
Your skin looks amazing.
Thank you. I'm wearing Lancome Tinted Oil Foundation.
Ooh, okay. You know what? This is gonna sound crazy. I've never tried it. I know.
You know what I should have said though? My Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer Foundation.
That one is so good.
Are you hitting